Now, the security screen, as you can see, looks similar to the inventory screen. But what's unique about this is that it'll allow us to show alerts when cyber security events happen and displayed on here. The system will continually monitor all the devices in the system for those cyber events and display them here. Now let's talk more about that TPM chip. TPM secures, running on this device, secures the device using advanced cryptography. In addition to the TPM chip running on this device is Intel's Trusted Edge Platform, or TEP, which is a simple solution for adding trusted validation to your devices. Once a device has been securely provisioned, a unique cryptographic signature is created and then continually queried to validate that the signature is not changed. As long as that signature remains the same, we know that device is valid and has not been tampered with. So let's show how that works, and let's launch a cyber attack. I'm going to go to this screen, and let's remove the HMI, and then use this screen to launch a cyber attack. Now, what we've created is a script to insert some malware on this device. So what we're going to do is we're going to execute this script, and we're going to insert the malware on that device, which is going to change an application, files, and the operating system on the device. And that's essentially going to be an untrusted device at that point. So let's go ahead and launch that attack. And that attack has been launched. So now that we can see the alert on the security screen, which means that we've detected the malware threat on that device. Now let's talk about what we can do to mitigate that. As you can see, we can look deeper into that threat and see that that cryptographic signature has changed. And we now know that that is running somewhere in the operating system. Probably the threat is in the control program. Now let's talk about quarantining that device. If we quarantine this device, what we do is we isolate this device off the network so forensic analysis can be done on that device. So let's go ahead and do that. What we've also done is we've previously configured the system so that the runtime process is quickly transferred to another available device to achieve bumpless transfer of control. Now let's go over to the quarantine section, and we see our device shows up, which is completely isolated. What we can do now is do a factory reset on the device and get rid of any of the malware on that device. Load another operating system, or load basically how it came pristine from the factory. As we've shown, we've completely thwarted that device, that attack on the system.